What's up guys, Appydroid. This is a little quick update for the Appydroid SLS AI version. Now this is not the Kinect sensor version, this is for the your regular webcams and stuff like that. It's kind of software for that kind of thing. It's not the Kinect version. I will be adding support for the Kinect V1 sensor in this. I've already started adding it. As you can see down here, there's a little toggle where you can select different cameras. So yeah, I am adding support for it. I just don't have the sensor, so I can't really add it in at the minute. Anyway, this is just some little updates I've added so far. There's this brand new mode called Depth AI, and what this is doing is, I'm going to turn off the person tracking for the minute. You have a little threshold slider here. So as I see, if I make it minimum, it's showing more stuff. What you want to do is make that so you don't really see anything on the screen at all. I'm going to have it about there just for the minute. And as you can see, it's showing something on the screen. It's showing basically my outline. It's a little bit too dark. I'm going to back it off just a little bit. So when I move in front of the camera, the object tracking's on as well. Let me turn that off. As you can see, it's giving a green highlight. But if I hold my hand still, it basically, I'm not holding it still enough. But it's only really showing you what's moving on the screen. And a kind of weird 3D kind of render, if that makes sense. So yeah, that's just a little fun mode I'm working on at the minute. This will probably improve. Another thing as well, I've removed the toggle for the EVP modes. The mic array should automatically turn on when you turn your camera on. So when you press connect, all this should come on at once, and then you just have the record audio and record video. Record audio basically records what's being heard, and record video basically shows records the screen here, so anything on the screen will be recorded. There's also this other mode as well. So as you can see at the top here, I've added a little maximize view, so you can then open this up in the maximize view and you can then do EVP sessions directly in the application. You just simply press record and you can kind of see what's being visualized here. Press stop record and then you can close, and all your recordings are saved in the folder. So that's handy to know. Also this isolated map view, I'll need to press the person tracking on and then open this up. So then we can see we have the isolated map view. So this is only the kind of stick figure things that's shown in here. And you can record that as well. So you can record basically anything that's on the screen, you can record it like so. So this has now been recorded. So yeah, that's something I added as well. Had some feedback, people wanted to make more use of this isolated map view instead of just recording here. So you can now record this main view. You can record the maximized views inside here. You can still record the separate audio and video down here, and all your recordings basically go inside this folder here. You can then save them all or save them individually to your computer. You need to do this before you close the application, because it will basically automatically clean all these recordings. It doesn't store these permanently unless you want to, and that basically just stops your computer getting filled up with nonsense junk that you don't want. So basically, if you want to save any of these, you have to do it before you close the application, otherwise they will be permanently deleted when you shut down the app. It's just something I added just to stop, basically filling up your computer full of video files and whatever else. Anyway, that's basically it. That's a little updates. This will be put on the website www.appydroid.net. This will be available later on today, and it's version 1.6 is what you're looking for. So when you update your current app, you'll get this as well. All these other modes still work. I took away the inverted mode. That I didn't really find any use for it. It basically gave the view a bit of a washed out look. So I removed that. So you still have all these other modes. The thermal camera mode has been fixed as well. It is now showing all the colors properly. And yeah, you have all these other sliders here. If you want to know what all these stuff does, just go into the operation guide and it basically gives you a little description of what everything is. There's also this mode here. Now for some reason I can't get this to change. There are some changes where you can select MP3 or WAV. For some reason it doesn't work for me. Anywho, that's there as well. You can also restart, so you can force reboot everything, so you know, just like when you turn on. So if you have some kind of problem or some kind of glitch or the camera drops out, you can go there and fix it. Anyway, that's basically it, guys. I'm going to leave it there because this is already 5 minutes long and I'm waffling on, and I'll catch you guys the next day. Okay, bye for now.